Welcome, dear students. Today I will be dealing with the topic seed certification, uh, particularly being done in India. So, if you see the seed certification, it is a scientific and systematically designed process to secure, maintain, multiply, and make available farmers the good quality seed which qualify the minimum prescribed norms. This, you can say, the definition of seed certification. If you see little history that how it started, how the seed certification started in early days, actually where and how the concept of seed certification originated is not very clear. However, the available records do indicate the credit for this should go to Swedish workers. The concept grew because of increased concern for the rapid loss of identity of varieties in the early days of 20th century. To overcome problems of varietal identity, representatives from USA and Canada met in Chicago, Illinois in the year 1919 and organized the International Crop Improvement Association (ICIN) in the year 1919 itself, which later changed its name to Association of Official Seed Certifying Agencies in 1969, AOSCA, which led the beginning of modern day seed certification. So, the idea of seed certification, how it started, you can see very well. So, how in India it has started? In India, the seed certification standards were initially developed by National Seed Corporation Limited, and later the same were adopted by the Central Seed Committee in the form of Minimum Seed Certification Standards 1971, which was amended later time to time. Since then have been amended from time to time. The Minimum Seed Certification Standard 1988 is modified version which is in operation throughout the country in India, you can say. Now you see what are the statutory bodies the committee set up under the Seed Act. The one is Central Seed Committee, which you call CSC, the Central Seed Certification Board, CSCB, the Central Seed Subcommittee on Crop Standard and Notification and Release of Varieties. You see, this is the committee. Once you are developing this third one, once you are developing the varieties, you are identifying the varieties through ECRIP program, All India Coordinated Research Improvement Program, or through state seed subcommittee. If your variety is doing well in a particular state, so through state seed committee is identified, Then after identification, it will go to central body, the Central Seed Subcommittee on Crop Standard and Notification and Release of Varieties. These identified varieties are going, you are submitting your proposal for its notification. Once the varieties are notified by this body, then it is coming in the Gazette, then which is circulated throughout the country in all the states, along with its dust characteristics. Then only, after this notification and release, then only the variety can come under purview of seed certification. Otherwise, in India, the variety cannot be certified without notification by Central Seed Subcommittee on Crop Standard and Notification and Release of Varieties. And also a separate committee for horticultural crops. A similar type of committee is there for horticultural crops. So then you see the fourth one, State Seed Subcommittee. As I said, that this is responsible for identifying the varieties for the particular state, which is the state body here. So you have seen how the seed certification started worldwide and in India. Now I will be dealing one by one the topics related to seed certification in my next videos. Thanking you very much.